How to add name server on Godaddy. Need to connect your domain to external hosting or email? Let's update the name servers in Godaddy the right way. First, head to your Godaddy account and go to My Products. Here, tap on Domains, click on DNS and scroll down to the name server section and click Change. Select Custom instead of Default and enter the new name servers provided by your hosting provider or service. Double check the values and click Save. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to propagate, but it's usually faster. Make sure you have saved any old DNS records you might need before switching name servers. Who are you pointing your domain to? Cloudflare, Bluehost, or another host? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.